Hello, opening up a toy mini brand, and it has a surprise puzzle. It's the first time I'm opening this. I've actually had it for like 4 months, and my daughter gave it to me, but I haven't opened it. So today is the day. So let's open this little hard box. Open, open, open. So many cardboards. Okay, let's open. We got this sphere, and we're going to peel it. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it is. I'm super curious. I love seeing them, when those people have the little houses with all the little artifacts and toys and stuff like that. I love seeing that. I just don't collect them so much, but I love seeing them. All right, so let's open this thing. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, it's a little hard to open. I should have grabbed a scissor. I don't have a scissor handy. My goodness. Didn't know that took so long to open this thing. Do I have a pen? I have a pen. Let's just get a little stabbing there. All right, let's open. My goodness. Jeez Louise. How you open this thing? Hey, you guys out there, the ones that collect. How fast you open this? What's happening here? Come on, open for me. Open. Here we go. Okay. All right. Let's move this. Open sesame. Wow. I could use the circle for something else. Ooh. Let's see what's here. It's a little bag. It's hard. Let's see. Open up the bag. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh, cotton candy. Yum. Let's see, what is this? Poster. Oh, so cute. How cute even to draw. Alright, so we got that. Cotton candy. What is this big thing? Let's open this. Oh my goodness. This is a puzzle. I need a Ziploc bag to put all this together like a puzzle. So these are the puzzle pieces in here. So now I know. I thought the object was in the big bag. So puzzle, poster, and we have a cotton candy. Super cute. All right. Thank you, my friends, for watching.